October 2013, dermatologist Dr. Sarah Chen encountered one of the most perplexing cases of her career when the Mercer family brought their 9-year-old identical twin daughters, Lily and Emma, to her Atlanta practice. What made their case remarkable wasn't the unusual butterfly-shaped birthmark on Lily's right shoulder. It was the fact that, according to medical records and family photographs, that distinctive birthmark had been on Emma's left shoulder for the first 8 years of their lives. The parents brought in baby pictures, yearly school photos, even their medical records from birth. Dr. Chen recalled in her 2017 article published in the Journal of Pediatric Dermatology. The documentation was unambiguous. The birthmark had somehow transferred from one twin to the other and in mirror image position. The Mercer twins were born in 2004 and confirmed as monozygotic identical twins through DNA testing performed shortly after birth due to complications requiring specialized care. Hospital records documented Emma's distinctive nevus flammeus, commonly called a port wine stain, in a unique butterfly shape on her left shoulder, while Lily had no significant birthmarks at birth. Beth Mercer, the twins' mother, first noticed the change after the family returned from a summer vacation in July 2013. "I was helping Emma change for swim lessons when I realized her birthmark was gone. I actually checked to make sure I had the right twin," Beth explained in a 2016 interview. "Then I saw Lily had the mark instead. My first thought was they were playing an elaborate prank with makeup." The family's pediatrician initially suggested the same, but examination confirmed it was a genuine birthmark on Lily, while Emma's skin showed no trace of the mark she'd had since birth. More puzzling was that no one, including the twins themselves, recalled exactly when the change occurred. Summer photos from their vacation showed Emma still had the birthmark during the first week, but it appeared on Lily in photos taken just 12 days later. What made the case particularly intriguing to medical researchers was the mirrored positioning. Emma's mark had been on her left shoulder, while Lily's appeared on her right, as if reflected across an axis. The shape remained identical down to the smallest details. Dr. Ambrose Kirby, a geneticist at Emory University who studied the case, proposed several theories. "We initially considered the possibility of chimerism, or delayed genetic mosaicism, but neither adequately explains the complete transfer of the birthmark with its mirror positioning," Dr. Kirby noted in the 2017 joint study. "The fact that no transitional state was observed, no fading from one twin while appearing on the other, makes this case particularly unusual." Medical imaging confirmed the vascular nature of the birthmark was identical in Lily to what had been documented in Emma's medical records. Blood samples and skin biopsies revealed no evidence of artificial coloration or recent trauma that might explain the appearance. The case attracted attention from twin researchers worldwide, including Dr. Maria Lopez at the International Twin Registry, who documented similar but less dramatic cases of shifting birthmarks in 5 other sets of identical twins between 1998 and 2020. "What we're seeing challenges our understanding of genetic expression in identical twins," Dr. Lopez explained in a 2021 conference presentation. "These marks are formed during embryonic development. The prevailing theories simply don't account for their apparent ability to transfer from one twin to another years after birth." In 2015, researchers briefly explored whether the Mercers might have misidentified their daughters throughout childhood, a not uncommon occurrence with identical twins. However, this theory was quickly dismissed when comparing dental records, fingerprints, and subtle physical differences documented in their medical histories. The twins, now teenagers, have participated in annual examinations to track any further changes. The birthmark remains stable on Lily, with no reappearance on Emma, Dr. Chen reported in her 5-year follow-up study. "However, we've documented subtle changes in skin pigmentation elsewhere on both girls that seem to occur simultaneously, suggesting their dermatological systems remain somehow connected, despite physical separation." While several interdisciplinary research teams have studied the Mercer twins, science has yet to provide a satisfactory explanation for the transferred birthmark. The case remains one of the most well-documented anomalies in twin studies and dermatological literature. "Sometimes I miss my butterfly," Emma commented in a 2020 interview for a documentary on twin phenomena. But it's like it's still part of me, just living on my sister now. Lily added, "We joke that we're so identical even our birthmarks couldn't tell us apart and got confused." The case challenges conventional understanding of developmental biology and continues to prompt new research into the complex and sometimes mysterious connection between identical twins.